friends, Sandhya Ahluwalia this side, your communication influencer, HR advisor, life skill enhancer, and the last series which I had made was the employment engagement series, and which was well taken up by a lot of people, and also the subscription base rose up. So taking it forward, there's a very latest thing which is coming up, which is the environment, and it is making such an impact. And the 21st century, as it is facing so much of upheavals, and the climate change and carbon footprint and all these things are such issues which are taken in as a daily routine work, wherein the governments and all the entire global leaders are looking forward to how to go about it and how to address this issue. So when we talk about a smaller unit, that is the organization, so every organization has its HR, and now there's a latest thing which has come up, that is the green HR. So when we talk about green HR, what do you understand? As it is human resources management, is management of the human capital which is in the organization. And when we talk about the green HR, it is basically focusing on the environment and the sustainability. So when we talk about the sustainability, when we talk about environment, they are all related to our natural resources which are present. When we are using electricity, we are using carbon footprints are being used. There is there are a lot of exchanges of the chemicals and other things. Then when we talk about the water usage is also done according to the systems which are being. So when we talk about water, it's basically the conservation of energy in whichever way we can do, we should do, because that is the need of the hour. Rain harvesting, water harvesting, even in small societies they are doing it. So when we talk about organizations, it is very important that we focus on those issues as well. Then paperless office, the green offices, the green buildings, and these days you have a concept of the oxygen walls also, wherein and the natural light filtering in through the through such designs wherein we don't require the artificial light during the daytime. So these are all practices which are leading to the green HR and the green environment. So taking it forward, I would be coming up with a series of green HR, wherein I am going to talk about various initiatives which the HR department can take and bring about a change by inculcating this practice and bringing it to the taking it to a daily core of habits and a practice which will bring about a change. And as an individual, what contribution we can do, we must do it. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Please share, like and subscribe.